going to pick some strawberries now.
I'm having chamomile.
Welcome back to Todd Family Farm. Today we have a little bit of a different kind of video for you. So a few days ago, Jocelyn and the little girls were out and they picked strawberries, they picked chamomile, and they were around with the chickens some, and they took a camera with them and recorded some of that and made a video of that. So I hope you enjoy. We are going to pick some strawberries now. 2 strawberries. This one lost its stem.
Yeah,
So
corn mixed up together.
Small
Green beans
one,
and corn
big
mixed up
one.
together.
Some of them are skinny. And I have to break them up so they don't recognize that as an egg, because they'll actually eat the eggs that they lay. But I'm going to let them eat it because they pick at it and it'll be great for them. Set it on the ground. I'm going to break it up so they don't see it. That's not a rooster, but the rooster will get here and call. That little chortling he's doing is him calling his hens over.
Now I am recording picking chamomile. What are you going to say, Liza? This is milkweed. Our caterpillars really like to get on this. And then they also bloom flowers. You can see flowers here. These ones have all so the trick to having chamomile. Okay, let's get to the chamomile. The chamomile is that you put 2 fingers. Okay, why do I get in that? You put 2 fingers between it and just pull up and see.
And the chamomile has white petals and then a black yellowish middle.
Yeah.
So you like that, and you let them dry out, and then you
make chamomile tea with them in the winter.
Okay, we've just about got the chamomile plants cleaned off here. See how much we've got. Liza's got a bowl full. Caroline's got a bowl full, and I helped fill both of them, so we all work together. I think we're about finished. Is the ever elusive bunny. Petunia. And there's Marjorie. And Charlene. Bella. Bertha. Daisy. And Leia.
What are you calling about?
She's Effie. And there's Deborah. What are you doing? Hang on. So that was the footage from Jocelyn and the little girls. I hope you enjoyed that. So real quick before we end the video, I have a few things. So if you remember a few videos ago, we found a monarch caterpillar cocoon on our chicken coop door, and we took it inside and we were waiting for it to hatch. Well, it hatched. And it turned into a butterfly. So yeah, it hatched and did good. So the second thing is I recorded a little clip of some of the produce that we have gotten from our garden the other day. So it's actually like 2 weeks old, but I recorded it on Mom's phone and then I forgot to put it in a video. So we're going to do it now, just kind of know that. So you can go watch that. So real quick, we have been getting some cabbage from the garden. So here's 2 heads. You can see this one is really good sized, and even this one is about the same size, or maybe even a little bit bigger of what you would get from the store. So the cabbage is doing good, as you can see. So I just thought I'd show you that, and we will keep you updated. Oh yeah, hang on. Also today, Mama went down and picked 2 5-gallon buckets full of green beans. So everything in the garden is coming on strong, and our first cucumber of the year. So everything in the garden is doing good. Real quick before we go, one last thing. Here's a little update on how Penelope's chicks are doing. Oh wow! Yay! Ready, ready, ready! Ta-da! Oh, it's collapsing. Oh, she stayed on. You getting back on? Look, I don't. Oh. Oh. Hey! No pecking. Hey. Hi. What are you doing? Hey! Oh, and she's gone. Oh, she landed. Wow. Aren't they cute? Yes. So as you can see, they are getting bigger. They are really friendly, doing great. So that is going to be about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and make sure you go check out our website, and we have merch on there, so buy some merch. I'll have that linked in the description as well. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.